Alright guys, so I do want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and set up on my new fingerprint security safe. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go take a look at it. Awesome. Very well packaged, by the way. So you get the user manual, the key, the batteries, and a ways to mount it, as well as a screwdriver for it. So let's actually take a look at the safe. Got some weight to it, but here it is. So it's good you can mount this to like the side of your dresser, so it's by your bed, or basically wherever you want. But let's see how we can actually set this up. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and actually install the batteries into it, and the batteries do go down here, and they do provide you with the batteries, so let's go ahead and install that. All right, we'll go ahead and seal that up. And then it does come with an initial password, so it is just a bunch of ones. Boom. Just like that. Wow, that was actually very cool. Check that out. You can fit different kinds of pistols or Glocks in here. Very, very cool. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and actually set the new fingerprint password. So on mine, I did have to push on this down a little bit, and there is a button right there. I won't be able to show it to you, but there is a button there, and you just push it once, and then you push one, and then you wanna go ahead and set your 6-digit PIN. Boom, done. So 6-digit PIN, I put it there, and it took it. So let's go ahead and actually try it out. Boom, just like that, took the new passcode. So now let's go ahead and actually set the fingerprint scanner. So we're gonna push that same button, but this time we're gonna press 3. And we'll go ahead and use this one. It all lit up green, so now let's go ahead and actually try it. Boom, just like that. Bam, very, very cool. So you can see very modern. Like I said, if you need access to it, but you want to keep everything safe, these definitely come in handy. Let's go ahead and actually try just the key now. There it is. Just turn the key, pops right open. So, like I said, 3 different methods, whether it's the code, the key, or your fingerprint. It all works very, very quickly, just like that. And like I did say, it does come with the mounting bracket for it and the screws and screwdriver for it, so that way you can mount it wherever you like. What I do like about the mounting bracket is you don't have to have it the way it came. You can actually have it this way as well, just depending on where you're mounting it. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new biometric safe, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.